Hello, thank you for joining me on my It's Technical YouTube channel. Today I'd like to discuss Ebates. I'd like to let you know how you can make money using Ebates.com. Now I've been using Ebates for maybe 2 years now, and you can choose multiple stores that are listed and registered with Ebates. It kind of works like Groupon, but this is more direct. You can do a search on Ebates for the store that you're wanting to purchase something from. I've used it with Walmart and Best Buy and other stores online. So all you do is you go to ebates.com, and this window that we have here is the ebates.com website. The first thing that you're going to have to do is register. So as you see here on the right, you can register using Facebook, your Gmail account. I think you can also use it with a regular email account. I have registered with a Gmail account that I had created some time ago, and that's specifically for Ebates. Now, you can receive, usually it's about maybe 2%, 10%. It ranges how much money you get back. So what you do is you go to the website that you want to purchase something from, and you're going to have to be logged into that website in most cases. The quickest way to get your discount is to go to this. Let's see if I can get it up here. Let me minimize this area here. If you use Google Chrome, this is probably the quickest way to access your Ebates discounts, is to get the Chrome button, and it's the Ebates Chrome button. Once you do that, you will have an E for Ebates right on the top of your browser. And it will remain there whenever you open up your Chrome browser. So let's see if I can log into my Walmart account. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm on Walmart. I'm new to using this program, which allows you to record your screen. Let's see if I can go in there. It won't allow me to go into it right here. But anyway, I would log in. And fill up my cart with whatever items I want. When you have the Chrome Ebates button on the top of your screen, it will pop up right along with your shopping experience, and you will see a small window that says Ebates, and it will actually have you logged in. If you're already logged in, if you're not logged into Ebates, it will then ask you to log in. It'll show you how much you can receive back from your purchase right on the screen. And for Walmart, I believe it's usually 2%. I could be wrong. It's not a whole lot, but I'm going to show you at the end of this video my latest check that I received from Ebates. And I don't make a whole lot of large purchases. Some of you out there make regular large purchases. It would behoove you to become a member of Ebates and get some of that money back. So for me, I get pretty much pocket change back, but it's better than nothing. So my latest check is just over $5, and that's an accumulation from some other purchases. But if you make large purchases, you're going to see larger checks come in the mail to you. So you can have it delivered right to your mail. And I do believe that Ebates allows you to have money deposited into your PayPal. So there's another option to get even more money, and that is to refer your family, friends, coworkers, and um, anybody you have a member, anywhere you have a membership. You just let everybody know that you use Ebates, ask them for their email address, you email them the Ebates link, and whenever they go and make they register, you will get credit back. But you're making money without really doing anything. So you're kind of just getting back some of what you put out. And I would say that it's worth it. You're not going to get rich off of Ebates, but it's kind of like walking down the street and finding some money. So instead of just passing it up, you're actually going to pick it up. So in this case, it's like money on the table. Don't leave money on the table. And if you don't use Ebates, that's exactly what you're doing. So I hope you like this video. I will supply a little more information towards the end of this video, and I will also show you my check. I will show it to you in my hand, and that will let you know that it is proof. I have had checks coming for, like I said, the past, I guess, about 2 years or so. And I make the deposit. I keep all the envelopes that come with them. And that's another way I can prove to you that they do send me the checks. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.